I'm Gail Guayardo. Welcome to Bloom, presented by Lifeguard Imaging, a full hour dedicated to your health and wellness. So get ready to bloom. Today we're discovering a new you from the inside out. Becoming a new you can mean different things to different people, but it mostly involves making significant changes in your life, whether it be in your habits, mindset, or behavior. And we start with a non-invasive way to have healthier, younger looking skin. Joining us now with more on the CoolPeel revolutionary award-winning CO2 laser, now available in Tampa Bay, is internal medicine and advanced aesthetic physician, Dr. Hermann with Hermann Aesthetics and Wellness. Dr. Hermann, it's always such a pleasure to see you.
It's so great to be here, Gail. Thank you.
So Dr. Hermann, I was so excited to hear about this because I've always wanted to have a laser peel done, but I just can't get the time off work or life.
Yes.
And now it's arrived.
I know. And I've been waiting forever as well. So the CoolPeel is a fractionated CO2 laser, and traditional fractionated CO2 lasers would have 2 to 3 weeks of downtime. My practice is more of a non-invasive cosmetic procedure practice, and so most of my patients are not ready, not willing to have 2 and 3 weeks of downtime. So now, technology is just getting better, better, better. The CoolPeel enables us to deliver fractionated CO2 laser, but the pulses are so quick, the little laser pulses are so quick that it doesn't damage the tissue around it, and so recovery is so much quicker.
That's incredible. So how is the CoolPeel different than the traditional CO2 lasers? You mentioned the downtime, which is pretty significant with the old school technology, which is so cool how your practice brings in this cutting edge technology.
Yes, so the CoolPeel, it's just that the pulses are delivered so quickly that it doesn't cause what we call thermal damage, heat damage to the surrounding tissue. So it really is doing exactly what it should be doing, but with less collateral damage, if you will. So really at the downtime, we're talking 0 to 2 days. Mostly people look windburned, and they should not wear makeup for a couple days, but they can, with sunscreen, go out and about and, continue on even in that first couple days right after their treatment.
So who's a good candidate for this treatment?
So we do treat people of all skin types with this. If you're a darker complexion, we would probably need to do more conservative treatments and therefore maybe more of them to get the same result, but that's also a little bit game-changing as well, because we can treat any skin type, and it's for fine lines, wrinkles, pores, acne scars, so people who are just looking to freshen their skin. Also helps with pigment as well.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people are starting to look for more non-invasive ways of looking younger. Would you have to get a series of these treatments? Like, how quickly do you see results?
So some of the before and afters we're going to show are after one treatment, but often we do recommend a series of 3, but you will see benefit with each treatment.
Okay, that's really incredible. And we're looking at some of the pictures now, and there's a real stark difference, like you say, in just the overall texture of the skin.
Right. If you look kind of in this area of her face, it's just smoother. That was after one treatment. We have treated this patient a second time, which is even better. That's right.
And look at the pores.
Yeah.
That's what's unbelievable to me.
Yes. And this is actually some acne scarring. So it's amazing. It really is for us a game changer in that we're able to offer this technology without the service, without, taking 2 weeks off of work and things like that.
Because so few people have the luxury of doing that. And I think too, we live in a hot climate. The better you can make your overall skin look as we age, the more natural you're going to look, because piling on makeup and trying to conceal everything just stops working after a certain age.
Yes.
And this is just a natural way to look great.
Yes. When I think about, anti-aging, it is often a combination of, some loss of volume we get, but prevention is, is the #1 thing. If we do little things like this periodically, the skin will just look so much better. You can almost keep your skin looking the same for years to come, as opposed to trying to catch up later.
Well, I'm just so excited that you have this technology now available to all of us here in the Tampa Bay area. I know I'm already going to sign up right after the show. I've been waiting for this one. Thank you, Dr. Hermann.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And for more information, visit their website at drhermann.com. They have offices in Tampa and St. Pete, so pick up the phone right now, 813-902-9559 to reach their Tampa office, or call 727-278-3992 for their St. Pete office. Mention that you saw this on Bloom for a 10% discount on CoolPeel now through June 30th. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Hermann Aesthetics and Wellness.